Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account because only admins can alter network profiles. Once signed in, open Start, select Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Next, click Manage Known Networks to show stored SSIDs. This is immediate and necessary because you will remove the saved profile rather than rename the router. Make sure the SSID you want removed appears in the list. If it does not, connect briefly or view available networks so Windows caches it for the next step. Once the SSID is visible in Manage Known Networks, select it and click Forget to remove the stored profile and credentials. This prevents Windows from auto-connecting and erases the name from your saved list. If you prefer PowerShell, run remove net connection profile or use netsh wlan delete profile name equals SSID. Use quotes around the exact name. Make sure to double-check the list afterwards. If the network persists, run the removal command again with correct capitalization and spacing to ensure the profile. Finish by restarting your network stack. Toggle airplane mode off and on or reboot the PC so Windows clears cached scan results. If the SSID still appears in available networks but won't connect, remove it again using netsh wlan delete profile name equals SSID and ensure auto connect is disabled. If the name keeps broadcasting from the router, access the router admin and disable SSID broadcast or change the SSID there. If problems persist, reboot the router and recheck Windows network listings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.